Hi everyone, in front of me I've got LENOVO Yoga Tab Plus, and let me share with you how to reset app preferences on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here in this left section we have to scroll and find the apps. Let's tap. Now we have to tap on all apps, in my case 64, but of course in your case this number could be different. And then after tapping on it, simply choose the three dots icon in the right upper corner. Now we have to tap on Reset App Preferences, and here we've got the information our device informs us what it will actually reset, so among others, disabled app notifications and battery usage settings. What's more, no worries, you won't lose any app data, so simply tap on Reset Apps, and basically this is it. So thank you so much for watching, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.